y'all, it's your boy really Malachi, and I am back with a new video. So before I get into this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what you think of this video. Make sure you turn your post notifications so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. If you are not subscribe, feature my channel, my mom, sister, and my cousin. I'm about to go ahead and get right into the video. So y'all search up Princess. I'm just gonna search up ENG. Let's search up that it right there. This is the lady that this is the little girl, my friend that gave me this idea to do these. She's so amazing. She's so great. I love her so much for giving me this idea. So yeah, go follow her, period. That's her right there. That's her right there. So yeah, y'all. Alright, y'all. So for some reason my sound did not save, so I'm just going to do a voiceover. So I'm just saying, we are Vlogtober. We are on our road. We are on our road. Hey, yeah. We are on a road. We are on a road. Hey, hey. So today I'll be cooking, and today what I will be doing is I have the bacon, I have the cream cheese. You're supposed to get the cheddar and chive, but I got the bar. And you're supposed to get mini jalapeños. And then the next thing you do is you have to have your pan, and you have to have your spoon and your knife. You cut the jalapenos in half first. Do not wash them off because they will get hot, and it's just going to burn your mouth. So I very much so prefer, I personally recommend to just gut it out. I tell people, first of all, cut it in half, and then cut the ends off, cut it in half first. So that's what I'm doing here. And the objective is not to cut the jalapeno, it's to cut the head off. So I'm just telling y'all, you know, like what I basically just told y'all a few minutes ago, was just later in the video. Now you are gutting it out. You have to gut it all the way out. You can leave the seeds in there, but I promise you that if you leave any seeds in there, they're going to be hot, and it's going to take away from the aspect of the dish. And honestly, personally, this dish is for people that doesn't like hot stuff. The one that you might want to try if you like hot stuff is the stuffed jalapenos with Takis in it, and I don't like hot stuff, so I would never ever try that on my channel. I'm sorry, not sorry, but you can also find it on other YouTube channels. But you're basically just gotta get out, making sure there's nothing in there, it needs to be empty, like so. And another key point is that you have to make sure that that it's literally no steam in there. It's none of that, because that stuff is hot, and the jalapeno by itself is not hot. The seeds and stuff that included in it makes it hot. The jalapeno is hot, but you have to be able to like literally wet it to make it hot. That makes sense, because that activates the heat. So now I'm just doing all of them like so. And I said in the video, I was like, why am I rushing? So I'm just gutting them out, as you see. And then what I did is I just scooped the seeds on the table, and I just cleaned them up after, because honestly, like, it doesn't even matter at that point. The seeds are not going to be eaten, and if you can clean them up after the dish is over or after you put them in the oven, I feel like that's just good. And I did cook a mini of these, so it is going to be like a little bit of, you know, a time. And then now I'm just going back and checking and making sure it's no jalapeno seeds in there. I'm literally deep looking, making sure, using my fingers to just use my nail and kind of just sneak back in there in the little holes and the creepy crevices to make sure there's none in there. You see, I'm getting them out there, but the creepy crevices, I'm making sure that it's none in there because I swear if you eat one seed, your mouth is going to be on fire. No tea, no shade. I'm still leaving seeds in there after finally it's up in there. So you definitely have to take time to actually examine them. Me personally, I did take time, but I still ended up having seeds. So on some of them, not all of them. And now I'm just scooping the seeds to the side because I was saying that I was gonna clean it up later. And now what I'm doing is I'm basically just showing y'all just the empty things. And then now I grab my spoon and my cream cheese and I am filling it. You use the back of the spoon, cream cheese spread. 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 Also, I want to give a huge shout out to my friend Angie. She's the one that put me onto this. I am going to do a voiceover at the beginning of this clip, but I just wanted to tell you, thank you, friend. Listen, friend, you are the bomb.com. You are the best ever. I am so glad you gave me this recipe. I will probably use this recipe forever, and forever. Okay? Period. So with that being said, the next thing that I'm going to be doing is basically, I didn't have any footage of it, but I was going to be wrapping the bacon around the what's it called? Around the little jalapeno and adding the cream cheese. So if you enjoyed this video, give it around the cream cheese. Put it in the oven for 350 for about 10 to 15 to 20 minutes to cook the bacon fully. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, give me a comment, and give me a subscribe to the gang, guys, because you know you gotta be dedicated to the gang.